Rome Test Part 1. Read each question below. Select the correct response. You may use your notes. When you are finished, click Submit at the end of the form. First, you're going to type in your first name in the box here. You are then going to type your last name in the box here. You will now select your class cycle number. Number 1. What were the effects of the geography of Rome? Colonies were created to farm. Plenty of food to support the large population. People had to move to locate farmland. Number 2. Who served in the Roman army when Rome was becoming a republic? Every male citizen who owned land, every male citizen over 18. Number 3. What military strategy organized Roman soldiers into smaller groups? Pilum, standard, legion. Number 4. How did the Roman Republic treat people they conquered? Fairly, unfairly, harshly. Number 5. What happened to Roman soldiers that deserted the army? They were put on trial, they were put to death, or they were put in jail. Number 6. What class was the ruling class of Rome? Plebeians or patricians? Number 7. What class included artisans and shopkeepers? Plebeians or patricians? Number 8. What rights did both plebeian and patrician men have? To hold public office, to vote, or to lead public ceremonies that honored the gods? Number 9. Why did the plebeians want Roman laws in writing? The patricians judge could favor the upper class without written laws. The plebeian judge could favor the upper class without written laws. Or the patrician judges could favor the lower class without laws. Number 10. Where were the 12 tables placed in Rome? The Agora, the Forum, or the Acropolis? Number 11. What office was created to appoint a leader in Rome during a time of crisis? Consul, governor, dictator. Number 12. Who had the power to appoint a dictator? The Senate, the council, or the citizens? Number 13. Where was Cincinnatus when he was asked to lead Rome during a crisis? On a battlefield, at his farm, or in the Senate? Number 14. How long did Cincinnatus lead Rome during a crisis? 3 years, 30 days, or 16 days? Number 15. What famous U.S. president was influenced by Cincinnatus? John Adams, George Washington, or Thomas Jefferson? Number 16. What Roman military leader named himself dictator? Cincinnatus, Marius, Sulla. 17. What policy did Roman rulers put into place to prevent the poor from revolting? Policy of bread and circuses? Policy of latifundia? Or policy of helping the poor? 18. What reformer was murdered by a group of senators in 133 BC? Tiberius Gracchus or Gaius Gracchus? 19. What government officials interpreted the laws in the Republic of Rome? The Senate, the Assembly of Centuries, or the praetors? And number 20, which statement is false? The governments of ancient Rome and the United States both have checks and balances, or the governments of ancient Rome and the United States both have separation of powers.